we made it to the beach. So today we are going to look for some little tiny shells to put in our little clear kind of plastic holder and use it as decor. And we're also gonna get some water from the ocean and watercolor a little bit. So it's gonna be so fun and cute, and I'm kind of happy. No paparazzi.
In my space. We've used these before at the park. Hey, sir. Still right there.
So we got some ocean water, and we're gonna watercolor with it. I'm gonna use I don't know why I'm feeling drawn to these sparkly ones because
They're so beautiful.
something about just using the salt water makes me want to use the sparkly ones.
I'm excited to see how it turns out. I make a mess with this anyway.
I'm just putting down a base of like this white sparkly color, and I want to make the whole thing.
It's gonna look like a mother of pearl,
Yeah.
like opal.
No.
I'm gonna probably have to go clean off the water.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go to the water, or else the birds are gonna
I'm
attack.
in my corner right now. I didn't realize I was hungry until I sat down in your car.
Oh no. We could have stopped somewhere and got like a.
I didn't think about it. I had a go morning. Oh, good.
What'd you do this morning?
What'd you say?
What'd you do this morning?
I was very chit-chatty. I had an hour-long phone call with my friend,
Oh yeah, the part you said that was today, and then the coaching
which
call.
rolled into that.
Oh, sparkly. Okay. That's right. How cute they are. plastic on the back
Mm-hmm.
so that once we're done using it in the sand, it doesn't get squished.
And it's magnetic. So I found that out.
I really don't want to get sand in it.
I'm trying hard. I did a dunk on mine.
I think I'm gonna like dunk the shell in the water and then put it in.
That's smart. But then you might get water smudges in there. So maybe you do them and then you can maybe dry
Dunk
them
and then dry them.
I tried to do that with these, so I don't know.
It doesn't have sparklies in it.
Take a swim, guys. I wish this little, I think these are called like kitten paws or lime. Something paws, but definitely not fitting.
I didn't know that. Those are some of my favorites.
They're so pretty.
I like their like texture.
I should ask ChatGPT what this is. It definitely looks like a monstrous fruit.
What does that mean?
Just like a big, prickly monster of a fruit. We should definitely try and grow some.
I'm not a Costco girly.
We just got our membership like a year or so ago. If you want to go to Costco, you let me know. They've got some fun things.
I feel like I haven't been since like I was a child and I was just like crying
Hated it.
because I wanted to go home. So
I get
I haven't
that.
been as an adult.
You can correct and heal from that trauma.
And maybe it was because my stepmom loved it as much as you did. And she wanted to be there for hours at a time.
That's a little much.
And I'm like, let's go home, please.
It's not fun in the sense of it's so busy and packed, and I hate the busy. I don't go by myself.
Yeah.
I don't go to Trader Joe's by myself either.
Yeah.
But if you have a coffee and you mentally prepare for it, and you know you're gonna spend $400 and come home with a really good haul of things, then it's okay.
Anything is better like when you're browsing with a coffee.
That's what I think.
I
They
think
actually need like a coffee cart there.
that's truly like what women want, I feel. Just a coffee and to browse things. It's kind of like we're foraging.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did we talk about that before?
I think we have.
Okay, this is turning out really cute. Look.
Oh, she's so cute. My question is though, should you put it in that way or should you flip them around? Because if you think about it, this is the back.
You're right.
Just-
I've been trying to so carefully put them in there the correct way.
Gosh, I definitely have some sand in mine.
I feel like
I'm gonna need to get more
more of these clear plastic things.
of the shells.
Oh yeah.
Maybe a big plastic thing. I've seen people fill a really cute little shelf with a variety of different shells, and they all have a different, it's like a little knick-knack wooden shelf, and it's small and compact.
Do they have things like this but like different sizes?
I think they have different sizes. I think. I'm not actually sure.
I feel like I'm gonna be like arranging and rearranging once I actually get them out.
The sun is gonna set. We're gonna be in a flow state.
I live here now. Okay.
Us in our leathered skin.
Come visit. Oh, you're so close to fitting. You could if you really wanted to.
Or
Oh.
if you find a sand dollar, and it's like kind of a shitty sand dollar, not a perfect one, and you break them open, they have like little angel wings inside, like tiny little, it's probably like the bones inside of a sand dollar, and that would be cute to put on, but I haven't found a sand dollar.
That's what I did with my friend last week. Jordan. That's what Nicole and I did
So
last week.
I'm curious.
Rather be
she's saying she's talking about us.
In a good way?
She's like, that's what my friend and I did last week.
Oh. Now she's with their man and they'll have a good time. Oh my gosh, okay, so it is a spine. You probably found a larger coastal fish like a snapper or a grouper. And yeah, it's like a vertebrae.
Oh, the thing you found?
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe you should have found it.
Me?
Maybe that's a sign that your vertebrae is healing.
You found it for me.
I did. That's a good sign.
Vertebrae need all the helping.
All the good vibes. It's fine.
It's fine.
And if I blow on it, it's gonna blow them all out.
Wait. No, I think this is the front. This is the front. Because that's why this is like covered. And we can pull that off. And then it'll be like,
Oh, does this come off?
yes.
Oh,
I think this is
I am
the front.
so dumb. No, that would make a lot more sense.
This is really good.
You think so?
Thanks. We've been doing lots of like cucumbers and beets lately. My little beach day creations. Okay, so the lid isn't on it yet because it's got this protective clear thing. Wait, did one come out? Did it go back in? You live here. Can't go back to your home. I'm sorry. Yeah. This. It's yours. Oh, so cute. Show me the this guy and scene operation remove balloon from the water. I get it before it takes it back. Get well soon. We just wanted the ocean to get well soon. Bye, beach. See you later, girly pop. So we took the roof off my Bronco, and on the way here, and then I couldn't get it back on correctly. So we're just hoping that the panels don't fly off while we're driving.
Hoping and praying.
I'm pretty sure they're fine for now, but